Hey there, if you find that your audio recordings are very echoey, if you use Final Cut Pro, there's something you can easily do about it. It's very simple. All you need to do is have your recording on your timeline here, as you can see. Then move across to the right-hand side. We have the section for volume. We have audio enhancements. And what we're looking for in particular is below equalization, voice isolation. So select voice isolation, and then we have a meter, so to speak, and you can change this from between 50 anywhere up to 100, or you can go down to 0. I usually pop mine in at around 75. However, feel free to adjust to your personal preference. This makes a massive difference to the echo. It takes it away. I highly recommend it. I only wish I knew earlier. So let me know if you use it on your videos. Thanks very much for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead.